morning, students. This is Sheba. Now we are going to see about electronic devices, Unit 4, Special Semiconductor Devices. In our previous session, we have discussed about the metal semiconductor contact, MESFET, and what are all the special devices that are available. In this session, we are going to see about FinFET. FinFET, F-I-N-F-E-T, also known as FIN field effect transistor, is designed to address performance shortcomings due to short channel effects, which is overcome by wrapping the gate around the conduction channel instead of having it laid on the top of transistor. FinFET is a type of non-planar or a 3D transistor used in the design of modern processors. It is built on SOI, that is silicon on insulator substrate. FinFET designs also use a conducting channel that rises above the level of the insulator, creating a thin silicon structure shaped like a fin, and so it is said to be a FinFET, which is also said to be gate electrode. This fin-shaped electrode allows multiple gates to operate on a single transistor. As we have said earlier, this FinFET short channel effects can be reduced by sandwiching a fully depleted SOI devices between two gate electrodes connected together. First FinFET double gate SOI MOSFET was the fully depleted lean channel transistor, which is said to be delta. As you can see in this diagram, that FinFET of delta MOSFET with improved gate control observed for with WG less than 0.3 micrometer and effective length LEFF of 0.57 micrometer. This is the schematic representation of FinFET, in which gate source drain is clearly depicted and a fin-like structure is elaborated to improve the conduction of the FET. And here you can see the FinFET for PMOS and NMOS, that is for 2 N channel and P channel, where front gate and back gate is clearly depicted in the diagram. When we see the application of this FinFET, it is applied to construct low power logic gates, single transistor mixer circuits and SRAM circuits, that is static RAM circuits. The major advantages are it provides better electrostatic control over the channel and reduces the short channel effects. Excellent control of short channel effects makes transistors still scalable for the extensible applications which we are using in our daily life. It is also much lower leakage current, which makes it preferable for low power logic circuits. Moving to another classification, PINFET, P-I-N-F-E-T. As the name suggests, P intrinsic N field effect transistor, PIN. It is a combination of PIN photodiode and FET in a single housing. It is mainly used as low noise high speed photoreceiver in optical communication. This FinFET has a wide dynamic range and increased sensitivity. As you can clearly see its schematic diagram, P layer and N layer is available and intrinsic is sandwiched between both the layers to increase the conductivity and to make it operate in a wide range of availability for large scale applications. The spin diode is a type of photodetector used to convert optical signal into an electrical signal. And this PIN diode comprises of 3 regions, namely P region, I intrinsic region and N region. Typically both these P and N regions are heavily doped due to they are utilized for ohmic contacts. and it is reverse bias junction diode, and so a layer of intrinsic silicon is sandwiched between heavily doped P and N-type semiconductor material. This intrinsic layer is wider and it is basically used for absorption of light photons. This light photons observed in the intrinsic region leads to the generation of electron-hole pairs, and thus the reverse current flow in the external circuit linearly increases with the level of illumination. Due to this major property, it is used in optical communication for real-time applications. You can see clearly the pin FET construction where pin diode is used for along with ion implanted JFET to create the pin FET. A monolithic pin FET optical receiver is fabricated on a semi-insulating indium gallium arsenide, that is INGAS substrate, by using metal organic chemical vapor deposition MOCVD. This pin FET is an integration of INGAS pin photodiode and INGAS FET. The material is grown on N plus INP substrate, as you can clearly see in this planar diagram representation. And this INGAS layer of low electron concentration is grown on the INP by chloride vapor phase epitaxy VPE. The second growth is done by atmospheric pressure metal organic chemical vapor deposition MOCVD technique. After that, it is subjected to a series of ion implantations to form the FET. After depositing of passivation layer, the diffusion of xenon is performed to form the pin diode, and thus the resulting pin junction is located near the INGAS interface surface. So it acts between the INP and INGAS interface. And thus we can clearly see this pin FET is applied in many real-time applications of photodiodes optical communication techniques. Moving to another major technology, CNT FET, which is a transistor nanotechnology developed for nanoelectronic devices. This CNT FET is nothing but carbon nanotube field effect transistor. The major difference between the CNT FET and MOSFET is that the channel of the device is formed by carbon nanotubes, that is CNTs, instead of silicon. CNT enables a higher drive current density. And these carbon nanotubes were discovered by Limja in Japan in 1991. CNT is a cylindrical shaped nanostructure made of allotropes of carbon. CNTs can be thought of rolled up sheets of graphene, as you can see in this diagram given. There are many types of CNT FET based on geometry. It has top gate, bottom gate, coaxial gate, and based on operation it is classified into Schottky barrier and MOSFET. In bottom gate CNT FET, there were simple devices fabricated by depositing single wall CNTs from solution onto oxidized Si wafers, that is silicon wafers, which has been pre-patterned with gold or platinum electrodes, as you can see in the physical structure given. Metal contact is the basic, and above which silicon dioxide substrate is given, upon which metal contact is created to create source, drain, and CNT. In top gate CNT FET, the next generation CNT FET, which is came to improve the device performance, the structure gives better outturn than early structure. As you can see clearly, the top gate is given as a dielectric, which improves the conductivity of the material. Then coaxial gate CNT FET, it has gate all around geometry. You can see clearly it is like in the form of cylindrical shape. It covers the entire geometry, and so it creates more electrostatic control over channel. The basic working principle of CNT FET is same as the MOSFET, where electrons are supplied by source terminal and drain terminal will collect these electrons. In other words, this current is actually flowing from drain to source terminal. Gate terminal controls current intensity in the transistor channel, and the transistor is in off state if no gate voltage is applied. And thus we have seen about the three classifications: FinFET, PINFET and CNT-FET. Moving to the important questions that are available in this topic of discussion, Part A 2 marks, you may be asking about what is meant by FinFET, PINFET and CNT-FET. Apart from this, the advantages and applications of these all kinds of FET may be asked. Moving to the Part B and C, the 10 marks and 15 marks. Each and every FinFET, PINFET and CNT-FET must be known in very detail. What is the basic construction that is lying behind these three technologies and why we are moving to these special semiconductor devices? What is the real-time application of these devices? If you see, the real-time applications is clearly explained in the topic itself. That is, for example, if you are taking this PINFET, it is applied in optical communication for light communication purpose. You can see optical communication is implemented in many telecommunication areas such as BSNL, telecom sectors, every telecommunication areas. So you have to write any application in detail and explain. Here I have also given the important links for reference, website link which is given along with the applications, real-time applications of the topic we have discussed now, and also book reference. The suggested book, Electronic Devices, UA Bakshi Epi Godse, page number 4, chapter 4, page number 11 to 7 to 11 corresponds to the topic of discussion. As I have said, the application of these special semiconductor devices like FinFET, PINFET or CNT-FET, whatever you are taking, PINFET means it is applied in the optical communication. So optical communication, the basic technology is total internal reflection. It has to get the light and it has to effectively utilize the electric field without any wastage in order to produce it in an effective manner. So if you're taking many types of communication, fiber communication, coaxial or twisted pair cable communication, optical communication is the most preferable one because of its speed. Since it chooses light as the media for communication, the speed of light is very fast compared to the other kind of waves, and so this optical communication is applied in many real-time applications. So you can take that example, you can explain it how PIN photodiode is used for effective detection of this optical signals, light signals that we are getting from the transmitters. And this is about the topic which we have discussed now. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.